simple. It looks like they've decided.
He's going for the cover, JR.
He countered that and made it look easy.
You can look at any professional sport you want, JR, and you won't find more incredible athletes than the WWE superstars.
You're not wrong, King. They compete every week until they are physically incapable of continuing. There's no off-season in the WWE.
We're not talking about running a ball down a field or slapping a puck into a net.
Can his opponent kick out of this pinning predicament?
He countered that one perfectly. I don't think the fans appreciated that one very much. But I don't think he cares much what the fans think.
That much is obvious, King. What a low-down, despicable move that was.
He saw that one coming. Here's the pin. Could this be it?
2.
That wasn't even close to 3.
His opponent has focused on that area all match.
Yeah, and now it's paying off. You got to respect the commitment and the dedication of these superstars to their careers.
No question about it, King. Every superstar on the roster has had to make more sacrifices than any other professional athlete I know.
It really is like being married to your career. There's not much room for anything else.
And marriage is a subject which you happen to be something of an authority. Isn't that right, King?
Come on now, JR. A man doesn't know what true happiness is until he's married. And then it's too late. His opponent has softened him up, JR. Now it's in for the kill.
He's got no defense left against a strong submission hold.
This has gone beyond it.
1.
Looks like he's trying for a pin here.
3.
Sounds like this.
That's it. The match is over.
You don't have to like it, but that pinfall left no question who won this match.
Here's your winner.
That's for sure, JR. If your shoulders are down for the 3 count, you lose, period.
But despite the outcome of the match, I don't think the score is settled between these superstars.